Do you want to boost your memory? Today we'll explore 5 brain exercises that you can try every day for just 5 minutes. These exercises can help enhance your cognitive abilities, improve recall, and even reduce the risk of memory-related diseases. We'll be delving into intriguing methods like the color trick, finger press trick, and hard situation, plus 2 more exciting exercises. These simple yet effective techniques can truly revolutionize the way your brain processes information. So, are you ready to empower your brain? Let's dive into the first exercise. Scene script. Exercise 1. The color trick. This exercise can enhance your memory by stimulating your brain's visual processing center. So, what exactly is the color trick? Well, it's a simple yet effective brain exercise designed to improve your memory by engaging your brain's visual processing abilities. The color trick works by encouraging you to visualize different colors in your mind, helping to create a stronger connection between visual stimuli and memory recall. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of this brain exercise. The first step is to find a quiet place where you can focus without any distractions. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths to relax. Next, imagine a color in your mind. Let's start with the color red. Visualize it as vividly as you can. Picture a red apple, a red car, or a red sunset. The more detailed the image, the better. Hold this image in your mind for a few moments. Once you feel that you've got this down, move on to the next color. Perhaps blue. Repeat the same process. Visualize a blue ocean, a bluebird, or a blueberry. Keep doing this for different colors, making sure to spend an equal amount of time on each one. Now you might be wondering, why colors? Well, colors are highly visual stimuli that our brains are naturally wired to recognize and remember. By visualizing different colors, we're essentially training our brains to create stronger links between visual information and memory recall. The beauty of the color trick is that it's simple yet incredibly effective. You can do it anywhere, anytime. Whether you're waiting for a bus, sitting in a coffee shop, or winding down before bed, you can easily squeeze in this exercise. And remember, like any other exercise, consistency is key. The more you practice the color trick, the better your memory is likely to become. So, make it a part of your daily routine. With practice, the color trick can become a powerful tool to boost your memory. Now, let's move on to the second exercise. Exercise 2. The finger press trick. This simple technique can increase your concentration and memory. You may be wondering, how can a finger press exercise help with memory and concentration? Well, let me unravel this for you. The finger press trick is a brain exercise that involves pressing the tips of your fingers against each other in a specific sequence. This exercise stimulates the motor cortex of your brain, which is responsible for controlling all voluntary movements. The motor cortex has a significant role in learning, memory, and attention. So by stimulating it, we can enhance these cognitive functions. Let's break down this trick. Start by extending your fingers and place your hands together, palm to palm. Now press the tips of your thumbs against each other, followed by the tips of your index fingers, then your middle fingers, ring fingers, and finally, your little fingers. Repeat this sequence for about 5 minutes each day. The beauty of this exercise is that it requires you to focus on the movement and coordination of your fingers, which in turn demands concentration. This concentration results in the stimulation of your motor cortex, thus enhancing your memory and concentration. The finger press trick is not just about the physical aspect, but it's also about the mental. It forces you to be present in the moment, to concentrate on what you're doing right then and there. This is a form of mindfulness, which is known to improve cognitive functions, including memory. So, why not give the finger press trick a try? It's a simple exercise that you can do anywhere, at any time. Whether you're waiting for the bus, sitting at your desk, or even watching TV, you can easily incorporate this trick into your daily routine. Remember, consistency is key with the finger press trick. Practicing it daily can make a noticeable difference in your memory and concentration. Now let's explore the third exercise. Exercise 3. Hard situation. This exercise can strengthen your problem-solving skills and memory. Let's dive right into it. The hard situation exercise is a mental workout designed to push your brain to its limits. It's all about introducing your mind to complex scenarios and challenging it to find solutions. It's a bit like a mental gym session for your brain, and it's a fantastic way to improve both your memory and your cognitive abilities. So how does it work? It's simple. First, you need to create a difficult situation in your mind. This could be anything from a complex mathematical problem to a challenging social scenario. The key is to make it difficult enough that your brain has to work hard to find a solution, but not so hard that it becomes frustrating or impossible. Once you've got your hard situation, it's time to start problem solving. Try to think of as many solutions as possible and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Encourage your brain to be creative and innovative. Remember, this is a workout for your mind, so push it as hard as you can. The beauty of the hard situation exercise is that it can be done anywhere, at any time. Whether you're on your lunch break, waiting for a bus, or just have a spare 5 minutes, you can always squeeze in a quick brain workout. You might be wondering, why bother with all this mental gymnastics? Well, by regularly challenging your brain with difficult situations, you're essentially giving it a workout. Just like your muscles, your brain needs exercise to stay fit and healthy. When you constantly challenge it, you're helping to improve your memory, increase your problem-solving skills, and boost your overall cognitive function. It's important to remember that the hard situation exercise, like any other form of exercise, requires regular practice to see results. So, make it a part of your daily routine. You'll be amazed at how quickly you'll start to notice improvements in your memory and cognitive abilities. By regularly practicing the hard situation exercise, you can enhance your memory and problem-solving skills. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Now we'll cover 2 more exercises that can further boost your memory. These exercises are not only fun and engaging, but they also stimulate the brain in unique ways, leading to enhanced memory retention and recall. The first exercise is called the object association game. This game is all about associating random objects with each other. Start by picking 10 random objects around you. Your task is to create a story that connects these objects. For example, if you have a pen, a coffee cup, and a pair of glasses, you could create a story where a writer uses the pen to draft a novel, sipping coffee from the cup, while wearing the glasses to see clearly. This exercise helps to strengthen the neural pathways in your brain, making it easier to remember and recall information. The second exercise is known as the alphabet game. This game involves thinking of a category like animals, and then coming up with a name of an animal for each letter of the alphabet. For instance, A for alligator, B for bear, and so on. This exercise not only tests your existing memory of animal names, but also challenges your brain to recall less common animals that start with less frequently used letters like X or Z. This stimulates the brain and can lead to better memory function. But why are these exercises beneficial? Well, when you engage in these games, you're not just passing the time, you're actively working your brain. The object association game encourages creative thinking and the formation of new connections in the brain, which can enhance memory and cognitive function. On the other hand, the alphabet game pushes your brain to recall stored information and retrieve it quickly, which is an excellent workout for your memory. It's also worth mentioning that these exercises are adaptable. If you find them too easy, you can always increase the difficulty. For the object association game, you could increase the number of objects. For the alphabet game, you could choose more challenging categories. Remember, like any other muscle in your body, your brain needs regular exercise to stay fit and healthy. These 2 exercises, along with the ones we discussed earlier, provide a comprehensive workout for your brain, targeting different aspects of memory and cognition. By incorporating these exercises into your daily routine, you can significantly improve your memory. So, there you have it. 5 powerful brain exercises to boost your memory. We embarked on a journey exploring the color trick, engaging our minds in a vibrant world of hues, challenging our recall abilities. The finger press trick then took us on a tactile quest, linking physical touch to memory enhancement. Next, we navigated through the hard situation, an exercise that not only strengthens our memory, but also bolsters our problem-solving skills. We didn't stop there. 2 additional exercises gave us further tools to sharpen our minds, proving that variety is indeed the spice of life, and memory training. The key takeaway? Regular practice is essential. Just as muscles grow stronger with consistent workouts, our brains too develop resilience and agility with repeated exercises. Each technique we explored offers unique benefits, contributing to a robust memory. Remember, a stronger memory is just a few exercises away. Start today and empower your brain.